Why does your scanner show the P2262 engine code? And what does it mean? The P2262 engine fault code stands for the turbocharger or supercharger boost pressure not detected, mechanical. The P2262 engine error code indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module has detected a problem with the turbocharger or supercharger boost pressure, specifically that it is not detected due to a mechanical issue within the boost system, which means the system isn't registering the correct boost pressure from the turbo or supercharger. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Turbocharger failure, stuck wastegate, boost leak, faulty boost sensor, exhaust restriction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This diagnostic trouble code is a generic powertrain code, which means that it applies to OBD2-equipped vehicles that have a supercharger or turbocharger like Toyota, Hyundai, Ford, GMC, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, and Kia vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.